Welcome back MH Car Review, and today you're about to witness something that looks less like a vehicle and more like a luxury home from the future on wheels. What you're seeing right now is a next-generation Volvo-inspired ultra-luxury motorhome, a machine that completely redefines how Americans think about road travel, RV living, and mobile luxury. This is not just transportation, this is a statement. From the very first angle, the front design instantly grabs attention. The massive panoramic windshield stretches wide, giving the driver an almost aircraft-like field of view. Sharp LED matrix headlights slice through the front fascia, framed by aggressive aerodynamic lines that make this motorhome look powerful even when it's standing still. The illuminated Volvo-style emblem adds a premium identity, while the low-angle stance gives it a commanding presence that feels more like a futuristic armored vehicle than a traditional RV. On the open highway, this front profile turns heads everywhere it goes. Move toward the sides and you start to understand the scale. This motorhome is enormous, yet its sculpted body panels and flowing lines keep it elegant and modern. The metallic finish reflects the environment like liquid glass, and every surface feels engineered with purpose. The extended wheelbase supports multiple heavy-duty axles, each fitted with bold, red-accented wheels that look straight out of a sci-fi movie. These wheels don't just look aggressive, they communicate strength, stability, and confidence, whether cruising on highways or parked at a luxury campsite. Now let's talk about the rear design, because this is where futuristic styling truly comes alive. The full-width LED taillights glow with a deep red signature, creating a dramatic visual at night. The rear body is wide and planted, with clean lines and integrated aerodynamic elements that hint at serious performance engineering underneath. This back view feels more like a high-end concept vehicle than something you'd expect to see on American roads today. Step inside, and the transformation is immediate. The interior feels like walking into a modern luxury apartment. Soft ambient LED lighting runs throughout the cabin, changing tone to match mood and time of day. Premium leather seating, brushed metal accents, and high-quality wood textures combine to create a space that feels calm, expensive, and incredibly refined. The layout is open and spacious, designed to make long journeys feel effortless and relaxing. The driver's area deserves special attention. The dashboard is fully digital, dominated by wide curved screens that display navigation, vehicle stats, camera views, and entertainment systems. Everything feels intuitive and futuristic. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium materials and integrates smart controls, allowing the driver to manage the entire vehicle without distraction. A heads-up display projects essential information directly onto the windshield, giving a true next-generation driving experience. Behind the cockpit, the living area opens up into a luxury lounge. This is the heart of the motorhome. Plush sofas invite you to relax, entertain guests, or simply enjoy the view through massive panoramic windows. Natural light floods the space during the day, while at night the interior transforms into a warm, cozy retreat. This is the kind of environment where you can park anywhere and still feel like you're in a five-star hotel. The kitchen is nothing short of spectacular. Designed with both style and functionality in mind, it features sleek cabinetry, high-end finishes, and smart built-in appliances. The countertops look like polished stone, offering durability and elegance at the same time. LED lighting highlights every detail, making cooking on the road feel just as enjoyable as at home. Whether you're making a quick coffee or preparing a full family meal, this kitchen delivers. Moving toward the bedroom area, comfort becomes the main focus. The sleeping space features a large, luxurious bed with premium fabrics and soft lighting that promotes rest and relaxation. Storage compartments are cleverly hidden, providing plenty of space without cluttering the room. Panoramic windows allow you to wake up to stunning outdoor views, turning every morning into a scenic experience no matter where you're parked. The bathroom and private areas continue the luxury theme. High-quality materials, modern fixtures, and a clean, minimalist design give the space a spa-like feel. Everything is designed for convenience, comfort, and long-term living, making this motorhome ideal for extended road trips or full-time luxury travel. Performance is just as impressive as design. This futuristic motorhome is built on a powerful platform engineered for long distances and heavy loads. Advanced suspension systems ensure a smooth ride, even on rough roads. Smart driving assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, and advanced braking systems, provide confidence and safety on every journey. Despite its size, the vehicle feels controlled, stable, and surprisingly easy to drive. From an American lifestyle perspective, this motorhome represents freedom at its highest level. It's perfect for cross-country adventures, luxury camping, business travel, or even living on the road full-time without sacrificing comfort. It blends cutting-edge technology, premium design, and raw presence into one unforgettable machine. While official pricing hasn't been confirmed, a motorhome of this caliber would clearly sit in the ultra-luxury category. Expect a price tag that reflects its advanced engineering, premium materials, and futuristic design. This isn't for everyone, but for those who want the absolute best, it delivers something truly special. So what do you think? Is this the future of luxury motorhomes in America, or is it already ahead of its time? If you enjoyed this deep dive into futuristic luxury on wheels, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is MH Car Review, and we'll see you in the next one.